All right, so here they are. These are Airchime horns. I believe the part number for them, or model number, is K5LA. I'll have to check that and I'll put it on the screen if that's correct. Here's the manifold number, 30115L. And these are real train horns. These are actually on a train. They're my friends. I'm gonna try them out and see if I wanna get a set for myself. But I'm gonna show you how we do it. I'll show you the valve I got too. Okay, so I'll show you the inside first. Here's the valve I've got. It's a Vilco valve. It's actually for a train. Got some pressure on it right now. I paid $130 for it. I got a used one, but I just mounted it to the side near the air brake, the parking brake and the trailer valve here. And what I did to mount it, I just drilled 2 holes, bolted it down, and then I snaked the air hoses under. These are 5/8 outer diameter DOT hoses with quick connects that I'm using. Snaked it around under the dash, drilled 2, I believe it was 11/16 holes through the cab. And let me go under here and show you the way I did it. You can see the big line there. One of them just goes to this reel. That's where I'm gonna hook it up to the horn. The horn's gonna mount right here. The other one just goes to this air tank and heads up into the valve. Now I'm gonna have to rebuild that valve pretty soon because it leaks by just a little bit. So I need to put new O-rings in it or whatever it has inside, but they do sell a rebuild kit for it. It's about $30, so I'll probably just buy that and put it in. All right, got it installed. We made a bracket out of some 2-inch square steel tubing. Just welded it together. I painted it black so it doesn't rust up. Through bolted it into the toolbox and double nutted it so it can't be removed. And I am happy with it. You can't even see it from the side. That's the side view. Can't even tell it's there, which I really like. I don't want people looking at this thing. So anyway, let me put in the drive-by and see what it sounds like. All right, well that's it. It sounds great, super loud, got a good tone to it. Really happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. One thing, kind of a side note, if anybody knows the source for these side glass panels or windshields or anything for this, I'm trying to find a new driver's side windshield and a new passenger side window because that just cracked today. I need to get new window felts as well so it doesn't, I'm guessing that's why it cracked, because there's just a little bit of slack. You know, those are old, they're 50 years old. So if anyone has a source on it, please let me know. I'm in Nashville, so anywhere I could drive to that isn't super far away. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. See you in the next video. Thanks.